Before I start this video, I know you already know that nowadays I try so much nisifanye kiki, mambo ya clout na nini. I think also kuzeeka and miaka inasonga. But I got a notification because it's Sunday, relaxing with the family. I got a notification from Mr. Sid saying that his song has been deleted from YouTube, and akaniuliza mbona distributors wako wananifanyia hivyo, because he's being distributed by 1 RPM and have been working with Ziki. And you know, I felt so bad because this is a brother that we have worked together for so many years. Singependa kitu kama hiyo ifanyike. And then because I've been silent for some time, sikutaka watu wafikirie hii ni kiki, because his song was doing so well. You know, Mimi na Wewe was going on top of trending. This guy has invested a lot to make sure that this project comes out. A lot of money in doing a music video and all that. And then someone from somewhere anaamka maliciously anaenda na delete wimbo yake, you know. And this is not the first time that Ziki is doing this to my music. They did the same some time back when I did a song with Bruce Melody from Rwanda, and it really affected the song in a very big way. And I know you also wonder, why has Bahati not been releasing music? Sijakuwa nikitaka kuongea because, you know, this guy in attention, but these guys have frustrated my music career in a way that I no longer feel like releasing new music, because every time I try to release a song, they frustrate it because contract yangu mimi nayo iliisha. But after contract kuisha, wamekuwa kikataa nikitoka, you know, because this song with Mr. Sid is the only collab that I've been featured in so many years. Most of these songs nimekuwa na feature wase, and all these songs zinaendanga kwa channel yangu yenye ni Ziki wana manage. Over 20 collabos. And so I wonder, if all these musicians have 2 songs with Nadia Mukami, she has never claimed anything. I have 2 songs with Willie Paul. A song in my channel that Willie Paul has never claimed anything. I have 2 songs with Prince Inda. He has never claimed anything. I have a song with Joyce Wamama. I have a song with Mr. Sid on my channel, okay, that hawa watu wa Ziki wanakulia. And you wonder, how can you be so malicious? Watu wengine wananipea collabos zineko kwa channel yangu yenye wewe kama Ziki unakulia, lakini hao nikipea mtu mmoja collabo unaenda maliciously una strike, you know. And I want to be very categorical to musicians out there. Wasanii wengi wameteswa na hao watu. I saw Harmonize crying the other day. I've seen complaints from Wasafi, and I'm telling you, at least government imewasaidia wa Tanzania sana. That's why hizo vitu haziendangi sana. But in Kenya, Ziki has killed a lot of careers. If you are an artist and you want to make it, don't distribute your music with these people. Don't. Go look for someone else. Because I wonder, if mimi ni Bahati, I'm at this level and I'm being frustrated, what about an upcoming artist out there? Okay? Because it's very illegal. I'm not signed to them like, it's not a record label. They're just distributing the songs. Okay? And there's nowhere in our contract that says don't do collabos. There's nowhere. And this is the only collab. Because if all these artists I'm mentioning, I have a song with Akode, with Joyce Wamama, have done so many collabos out there. If these people come and start striking my channel today, it means I lose my YouTube channel. So why did Ziki do that? And I'm telling you the truth. That's why they have frustrated me to a point where I no longer release music. Never let us come out. You utaki ukaunalia, una complain. Okay. But even my biggest question is to the government of the day, to our President William Ruto. You know, your biggest campaign was anchored on Sipangwingwi, a song by my good friend X-Ray, and a lot of artists, you know, supported you. Why are we not cancelling these licenses by these people wenye wananyanyasa wasanii wetu? The other day I saw Gengeton artist wanalia sijui nani amewanyanyasa. Why? We are trying to reach out. What is being done? Manze, are we just waiting for our musicians waanguke, wakue na depression, watu waanze kusema juu mtu kama Maddox, una msee ako talented. Sasa Maddox ako kwa madao, ako tu mtaani, watu hawezi elewa. Ni juu you try, do your best, you do. Shows zenye aziko, hizi si shows zinaweza lea wasanii. Msanii amechanga, amedu music yake, ana frustrate wa hivi. Are we earning any royalties from these people? Please, my call to the government, cancel these people. Let them not operate in Kenya if we are truly supporting our musicians. The same thing, follow up. If you are a listening government, follow up with Safaricom. Let them not license people like Ziki wenye wananyanyasa wasanii wetu. Because mimi ni Bahati. I'm one of Kenya's most followed musicians. Na nanyanyaswa na sisaidiki. Niko hapa nimekuja kulia social media. Na ule msanii ako Mathare, ule msanii ako Murang'a, ule msanii ako Kisumu. Atasaidiwa na nani? To my fellow artists, actors and creatives, it's so unfortunate that I'm bringing this conversation to the public. But I know, and you know, that ni vile tu mafans wetu hawajui. Ma-actors wanna go through depression. There's a lot that we need to do and that the government needs to do. Right now as we speak, Netflix is no longer licensing or commissioning any shows in Kenya. Showmax ndio hiyo imefunga. What does that mean? It means that more creatives are going to be jobless, watakuwa homeless. Na hapa locally pia tuna support. What are we going to do? To the government, please. This is the time. Hata si tuone support yenyu. Hii ndio time. Uni Bahati ako karibu kulia hapa. Mr. Sida ametoa ngoma yake vizuri, haihusiani na watu wa Ziki, wametoka maliciously, wamestrike. Do us a favor. First thing, cancel these people. Cancel their licenses. Because mnangoja vile Nyashinski alisema, mnangoja ni tuanze kuitwa legends, tunahangaika na madao kujua depression. Ama who will come to help us? Who will save us? Wase wanalia hapa nje. Mimi siwezi kuadvise ukue msanii kama wewe ni mtoto hapo nje. Manze, mimi najua Yesu, unaona Bahati, unaona wase wame make it. Unaona kina Nyashinski, kina Nameless, kina Bien, but wase wana go through shit, man. Hadi kitu isotiwe, mimi siwezi advise mtoto wote akue creative. Watu wamesota huku nje. Ni mbaya. Gava, tusaidieni.